Adventure is yours to take, and our 2025 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive is ready to make it unforgettable. Whether it's a sun-soaked cruise along New Brunswick's coastline or a quick dash to that weekend getaway spot, this nearly new SUV has your back. With its sleek silver exterior and a comfy black interior, it's as stylish as it is capable. Our RAV4 delivers versatility families adore and all-weather confidence maritime drivers need. From daily errands to spur-of-the-moment road trips, you're equipped for it all. Its spacious cabin and flexible cargo space make packing for camping, sports practice, or grocery runs a breeze. Plus, heated seats and climate control keep everyone cozy, no matter the weather. Worried about safety? Don't be. With all-wheel drive, Toyota Safety Sense features, and a crystal-clear rear-view camera, you're ready to take on rainy days and unpredictable conditions with ease. The tech? Packed with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and hands-free Bluetooth to keep you connected and entertained. At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, your RAV4 comes with our 12-month huggable guarantee, nitrogen tire program, and even a full tank of gas. Call us or stop by today. We can't wait to see you.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer